Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to create a business account ledger in Microsoft Excel. Today we will see two different business account ledger. First ledger is here, and here is a date, reference, description, debit and credit and balance column given, and opening balance is in debit side, and income is in debit side and expense is in credit side. All the expense we will put into credit side, all the income we put into debit side. And how can we perform this calculation? Let's see. Just delete all the calculation. First, this is the opening balance. Type is equal to and select this cell and press enter. And after that you have to perform calculation in this cell. Just type is equal to and select opening balance plus debit amount minus credit amount. This is a debit amount and this is a credit amount, and press enter. Now if you drag it to the bottom, now all the calculation will be done. This is a debit and 1000 debit, 60,000 and 5,000 is minus, and now 55,000, 20,000 debit, 75,000. Now you can perform this calculation like this. This is a business account ledger and you can create in your Excel sheet. And this is a total debit amount and this is a total credit amount, and if debit minus credit, the balance will be displayed here. Now I just perform this calculation. Just select auto sum and select debit cells and press enter, and click auto sum and select the credit cell and press enter, and type is equal to this cell minus this cell. You can create a business account ledger like this as well. This is a 2-column business ledger, debit credit, and this is a 1-column debit and credit business account ledger. You can create like this. How can perform this calculation? All the debit amount in positive amount, and this is a credit amount, and it will you can type this minus or bracket sign. This is a minus amount. If you type minus 5,000, press enter, it will display like this. And this is a expense and this is a income. Income is positive and expense is negative. Now how can we perform this calculation? Just type is equal to and select this cell. Type is equal to and type sum and press tab key and select this cell and shift colon. If you press shift and colon sign, it will display like this, M12 and M12. This cell display like this. First M12 you have to freeze. Just press F4 to freeze this cell and press enter. Now drag it to the bottom. Now you can see the balance is 40,000. This is a 50,000 and 10,000 plus it's a 60,000, and 5,000 minus it's a 55,000. Now you can perform this calculation like this. Just understand, it will sum this amount and this cell if I drag it, it will be changed and it will be fixed. M13, and if you sum M12 and M13, M12 and M13, it will sum, then it will like this, it will display like this, 60,000. And if you perform sum these three cells, it will be minus, and now the balance is 55,000. Now you can create business account ledger like these. These are two methods you can create a business account ledger. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.